In this video, we will learn about decentralization and how it's connected to Web3 and the blockchain. Decentralization is one of the main pillars that blockchain and Web 3.0 are built on, and it's intertwined with more than one aspect of these technologies. Let's start from the basics. Most internet users aren't aware of the persistent issues that the current centralized form of the internet creates. Web 2.0 platforms mostly rely on centralized servers, which serve as passageways for user data. This in turn creates issues since user data is not owned by users, but by large companies who sell it to third parties to achieve profits. Such a system severely affects user privacy and allows companies to use their information as a product. However, blockchain technology solves this problem by decentralizing user data and by putting it in the hands of each individual user. So, how is this achieved? Through the blockchain's unique peer-to-peer communication system, secured with infrastructure called nodes. Nodes are data centers which allow direct communication between users and thus bypass the usual data-collecting middleman. They're not in the hands of a single entity, but can be owned and operated by anyone in the world, hence increasing the privacy and security and reliability of those networks. In this way, both the infrastructure and the data on the blockchain are decentralized. Node holders can contribute to blockchain security regardless of their location, and users are allowed full control of their own data and can choose to stay anonymous with Web3 identities. But there's more to decentralization in Web3. Thanks to automated programs called smart contracts, various applications and protocols can be built on top of most blockchain networks. These applications are called dApps, or decentralized applications. They usually don't require a middleman to be operated, as their functions are fully automated and autonomous. Furthermore, the usage of smart contracts allows the creation of decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs. DAO is an application or a protocol which is not governed by a centralized entity, but instead by its community which participates in the protocol. In this way, a democratic governance is introduced, where users are able to create their own proposals or vote for others, and thus govern the protocols in a decentralized way. Decentralization in blockchain offers numerous benefits to both users and creators. These benefits include increased security, eliminated need for a middleman or a centralized governing entity, moving the governance to the hands of users, and smaller costs of operating the protocols. All the advantages and possibilities of a decentralized internet push more and more developers into creating solutions that will lead to a more secure, fair, and trustless web for all users. Thank you for learning with us today.